Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is database concepts. First of all, let us understand the term what is database. Database is an organized collection of data. You can visualize it as a container of information. The data is typically organized to model relevant aspects of reality. For example, the availability of rooms in the hotel. Now suppose you own a stationery shop. You need to keep detailed records of materials available in your shop. You also need to store information about pricing, stock levels for reordering, old stocks, etc. While in the manual system, you would maintain several files with different bits of information. In the computerized system, you would use database programs such as Microsoft Access, OpenOffice.org base, and MySQL to organize the data as per your business needs. DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. Now, what is DBMS? It is a software package with computer programs that controls the creation, maintenance, and use of the database. It allows organizations to conveniently develop databases for various applications. A database is an integrated collection of data records, files, and other objects. A DBMS allows different user application programs to concurrently access the same database. Now, let us have a look on the various examples of DBMS. Well-known DBMS includes Oracle, IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Access, PostgreSQL, MySQL, FoxPro, and SQLite. We have so many examples of DBMS. Any one can be used. Data can be organized into two types, flat file and relational file. Now let me make you clear the difference between the flat file and relational file. In flat file, data is stored in a single table, usually suitable for less amount of data. Suppose we students are studying in a school. School requires details of the students, details of teachers, timetable, marks, fees, library, books, and whatnot. So many details are required to run the school in a proper format. So can all the information come in a single table? No, not at all. So flat file contains only one table and it is suitable for small amount of data. But in a big organizations where we have lot of data, amount of data is large, then it is better to use relational database management system, and that is known as RDBMS, that is relational database management system. In it, data is stored in multiple tables and the tables are linked using a common field. Relational is suitable for medium to large amount of data. RDBMS. RDBMS is, we have already talked about it. It is Relational Database Management System. It is based on relational model which was introduced by E.F. Codd of IBM's St. John's Research Laboratory. Most popular databases currently in use are based on RDBMS. In RDBMS, everything is stored in the form of tables. And what is table? Table is a collection of rows and columns. Now let us look at certain examples of RDBMS. A database can have one or many tables. An address book example is a very simple one. In real life, there are many more details involved. Let us consider the example of a big company which requires database to maintain one table for its products, one for its suppliers, one table for its customers, one for the orders detail, and maybe many more. Basically, each table in a database contains information about one type of item. So, a database is basically a container that holds tables, other objects, and manages how they can be used. I have already given you the example of the school. In school, we have to maintain the details of student, their attendance, teacher details, timetable, which teacher is taking which class in which period, fees, student fees, then library, then books. Next is the hospital example. We have to keep the patient records, doctor details, OPD, wards, facilities available in the hospital, medicines, etc. As we have already seen, relational database management system. R means relational. Relational has been derived from the word relation. Relation means table. And what is table? Table is the combination of rows and columns. Here we have taken the example of a table. We have student table here. We have 3 students, Amit, Bhanu, Devansh. So these are organized in the form of a rows and columns. Horizontal are the rows. Rows are also known as records or tuple. Here you can see address is a column, father name is a column, like this. So vertical are the columns. Roll number, name, father name, address and phone. They are known as fields, attributes or